Cobra 5000. Of course, you've already seen the trailer, so I'm going to show you the real cooking of the food. Great value. This is a zebra cake one. Over here, obviously, I'm going to punch in the code 524. Alright, now let's throw it in here. Now let's give it a second. Hey, there's someone there. It's a commercial. Alright, sorry about that. Back to the food. Should be done. Will you look at that? Beautiful zebra cakes. Never seen anything like that before, have you? See, it even comes back in. He's back!